Hi writers! Today is a really important day because we are going to be flash drafting our thematic essays. Now, the good news is that we've already been through this process when we wrote our character essays. So we're going to use some of the same techniques and strategies to write this essay. So would you all please click next in Canvas with me? And what I have done for you is created a list of helpful tools that you might use to help you when you write your thematic essay. Okay, so the first is this box and bullet essay structure. Now, again, we're not writing about our character, we're writing about the theme, so some things will change, but the structure or the way that we organize it will stay the same. This might be helpful for you to revisit. Okay, I've also included some thought prompts. These sentence starters would be a great idea to use as you write and explain certain quotes or examples from your essay. Okay, now we want to make sure that when we write that we have an introduction, a clear claim, those transitions, all of these things on this list are things that we want to use when we write our essays. You might also choose to include these sentence starters to make your writing stronger. Okay, this is a great way, these sentence starters are a great way to really fully explain the quotes and examples that you use. Again, whenever we have a quote in an essay, we want to make sure that we explain it in a way that makes sense to our readers. So these are some great reminders as well. And then finally, I have included a checklist for you to go through, and we can see what we are aiming for and working toward in 6th grade. Okay, so again, you might not use all of these, but some of these I think are going to be really helpful to you. So keep that in mind as you write your thematic essay. Okay, gather all the tools that you need, and we will be working in Google Classroom. So let's all go ahead and go there. You'll see the assignment is called Thematic Essay. Click that and then start your timer and get going flash drafting your essay that is all about your story's theme.